Watch now. The LG V30 is beautiful in its new raspberry rose color. As expected, the raspberry gold version of the LG V30 made its debut at the showroom floor during CES 2018, expanding upon the lineup's existing set of dazzling colors. We spent a little bit of time checking it out at LG's booth, leaving us just a bit jealous afterwards. Much like the other color options for the LG V30, this raspberry golden one shimmers in the light, emitting this tantalizing look as light bounces off its surface. It's a refreshing change of color, quite honestly, as rose gold has been traditionally the gold choice amongst smartphones. With this, though, the color has a mixture between red, magenta, and of course, rose. Unlike rose gold, however, this raspberry gold is a lot more piercing, capable of generating interest from prying eyes around. Being the V30 and all, the design continues the manufacturer's new design philosophy of offering that metal meets glass construction. It's undeniably premium in every facet, while also providing the comforts of water resistance, wireless charging, and yes, a 3.5mm headphone jack. Beyond the new color, there's nothing really different with the smartphone when it comes to the specs. It's the same old one we know and love. While the back and sides of a phone are doused in this mesmerizing color, the front of the phone, specifically the bezels surround the display, continues to remain black like before. As much as we've fallen in love with this dazzling color option, it's sadly going to be only available in South Korea first, followed by key markets in Europe and Asia. Despite this reality, we're hoping that LG considers raspberry gold as a launch option going forward with its flagships.